This video is to show how to install the Zoho Assist customer plugin on any Windows 7 or Windows 10 PC. This plugin is required to receive remote support using the Zoho Assist system. So we'll just proceed to go through how to put the plugin in. So the first thing you have to do is go to a Chrome web page, and up in the address bar you need to type a specific link, and that is assist.zoho.com/install customer plugin. And you need to make sure that that is all spelt correctly and there's no missing letters, because if it's not exactly right, it just won't go anywhere. It looks good to me, so now you can hit enter. Once you hit enter, Windows will open the download selection folder where you can determine where it's going to be saved, and I suggest that you select the downloads folder, which is the normal location for programs that are downloaded. So click on downloads and it should be up there, and then you can say save. Having done that, you will see that the plugin is already downloaded. It's a very small program and it's downloaded at the bottom left hand corner. If you click on the upwards facing arrow, you will see show in folder, and if you click on that, it will take you directly to the software that's been downloaded. The next stage is to double click this to start the installation process. But before I do, I just warn you that it will immediately ask, or Windows will immediately ask through user account control, ask you if you want to allow the software to make changes to your computer. So you're going to have to reply yes. You won't actually see this screen come up on the video because it just doesn't show, but you will hear a sound and then you will see the user account control come up, and you just need to answer yes. So I'll double click it now, and you should already have seen that come up and have answered yes. So it's installing the application now, as you can see, and we can close the downloads folder and we can minimize the browser, and you'll see that the Zoho Assist icon is now sitting on the desktop. So when it's necessary to use this remote software so you can get a remote support session initiated, you first need to ring whoever's going to give you the support and make sure they're available. If they are and they can sort the problem out immediately, they will ask you to double click the Zoho icon. That's the Zoho Assist icon here. If I double click it now, you will see that a little window will come up and it will say enter session ID. This session ID will be provided by the person giving the support. It will be a 9-digit number, and you will enter it here as they give you the number. After that, you will be asked to click on join session, and from then on is the subject of another video covering just how the session is initiated and terminated and so on. So that's all you need to do at this stage to prepare for having a remote support session.